Shiba Inu holders, be prepared for an enormous earthquake valued at $4 billion. The current state of the cryptocurrency markets is immense, and it has the potential to significantly impact Shiba Inu's worth. You therefore can't afford to miss this video if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or if you own any Shiba Inu tokens. What recent news is there regarding Shiba Inu coins? And how will all of this impact the Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. The cost of a Shiba Inu is currently about 1683 units, with a trading volume of $200,000 throughout the past 24 hours. The price of Shiba Inu has decreased by 7%. The token is presently the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market cap of more than $9.9 billion. Please remember that by the time you watch this video, some prices may have changed. This is not investment advice. Let's start the video for today now. Why is today's cryptocurrency market down? Bitcoin and the entire crypto market capitalization are watching the effects of the May sell-off. June saw consistent reductions, and the level of pessimism is rising. The market saw withdrawals of about $70 million in the last day, bringing the total value of the cryptocurrency market to $2.21 trillion. The odds of a rebound are slim, and the stability around the $2.29 trillion figure that was anticipated was not maintained. Total is responding to the summer decline in liquidity brought on by the widespread belief to sell in major and leave. It's possible that the cryptocurrency market may cool down and advance more slowly until September or October. A recovery from $2.20 trillion would be necessary if there was to be any at all. Only when the $2.29 trillion resistance turns back into support can the same be verified. The price of Bitcoin drops. The price of Bitcoin dropped to $62,000 after breaking through the support level at $63,000, trading at $62,282. Since the cryptocurrency asset was following a double top pattern at the time of writing, a drawdown was anticipated. The price of Bitcoin dropped far more than the 6.5% loss that was predicted despite the target price of 63,068. If Bitcoin is able to regain support at 63,000, it may make a comeback and try to recover the lost gains. This would allow for a rally to 60,000, negating additional bearishness due to increased liquidity. Today, there was more significant news regarding the broader market. Investment company CoinShares, which specializes in cryptocurrency, sold its FTX claim for £31.32 million. On a 26th, the business saw a recovery rate of 116%. The largest cryptocurrency exchange in Turkey, BTC Turk, said that it had been compromised over the weekend. Only a portion of the balance on the 10 cryptocurrency assets' hot wallets was impacted, notwithstanding the exchange's claims. Users have reported that cryptocurrency valued at around €51 million has been taken. Transaction costs in the Shibarium network have increased significantly during the last week, rising by 493%, according to recent statistics from Shibarium Scan. The main cause of this spike is increased network activity, brought on by a rise in interest in Shiba Inu tokens in the wake of recent market volatility. Cost for transactions. The ecosystem's native token, represented in BONE, increased dramatically from 16.22 BONE to 79.18 BONE. The significant rise in fees is correlated with a significant increase in transaction volumes, which increased by 278.5% over the course of the same 7-day period, from 5,806 to 16,337 transactions. The manner in which these transaction fees support the ecosystem is very important to Shiba holders. BONE is partially transformed into SHIB and burned after being used to pay for transaction expenses on Shibarium. By reducing the amount of Shiba in your tokens in circulation, this technique may increase their scarcity and value. Shiba price may increase economically if its supply is reduced as a result of burning. The fundamental concepts of supply and demand are to blame for this. Prices rise in situations where supply is reduced and demand either remains constant or increases. The importance of Shibarium for increasing network activity is demonstrated by the recent increase in transaction fees. It also demonstrates the potential impact on Shiba market. With burning procedures, the ecosystem actively controls token economics, which could boost long-term investors' faith in SHIB's value proposition. Shiba Inu is reaching a pivotal juncture where 417 trillion SHIB tokens attain break-even. According to information from Intoth Block, an on-chain analytics company, 190 wallets contain 417.43 trillion SHIB tokens were purchased between 1,700 and 1,800 units in price range. Notably, Shiba Inu had its first comeback to the 1,800 unit pricing threshold since February last week, only to plummet even more as bearish pressure continued. SHIB has now momentarily fallen to 1,696 units. $417 trillion Shiba Inu at the crucial moment of choice, the 417. For a number of reasons, the 43 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, held at roughly 0.000017, represent a critical point in the asset's price trajectory. First, average holders of these addresses are neither in profit nor loss, as they are at a break-even point. Moreover, of all accumulation price thresholds, this one exhibits the biggest concentration of SHIB tokens. Remarkably, this region gets the fewest addresses, just 13,000 wallets, despite having the highest volume. The 417 trillion Shiba tokens, in essence, the asset's short-term trajectory had a critical turning point when Inu accumulated at approximately 0.00000017. The following move will have a big impact on investors. In the worst-case scenario, the next support level is at 1,400 units if the price of Shiba Inu drops below the 1,700 units and the 417.43 trillion SHIB tokens become worthless. As of right now, 94 trillion SHIB tokens, or an average of 1,600 units, are stored in about 58,000 wallets. Interestingly, a Shiba Inu drop to 1,400 units is almost complete because of this weak support level. Furthermore, considering the quantity of SHIB holders at current price, SHIB is already perilously near to giving up 1,700 in total, particularly now that Bitcoin has returned to 6,500. Additional situations that could occur, however, Shiba Inu may encounter opposition in the zero if it gains pace and momentarily overcomes the bears. Period of 0.00018 to 0.00019, in which 18 trillion SHIB tokens are held by 150 addresses, with almost 114,000 wallets holding 67 trillion SHIB tokens. A stronger resistance lies just beyond if the bulls conquer this level. Investors may try to liquidate their holdings near the 2,300 unit mark. Now for the major narrative of today's video. A 50% weekly decline in open interest causes the Shiba Inu to reach a 3-month low. It might take some time for SHIB holders to recover because the state of the market does not now point to an optimistic conclusion. Investors in Shiba Inu pull back. The meme coin dropped to a 3-month low, and the bears are taking a heavy hit on the price of Shiba Inu. The decrease in the Chaikin money flow indicates that selling pressure on Shiba Inu investors is increasing along with the downturn. The distribution and accumulation of a cryptocurrency are shown by this indicator, which is presently below the neutral line. This demonstrates the growing pessimism among investors. Apart from the unsteady money flow, Shiba Inu's open interest has dropped dramatically. This significant decline indicates a discernible change in the confidence and conduct of investors. The steep drop in open interest indicates that, partly as a result of the continuous price loss, investors may be pulling their money out of Shiba Inu. This withdrawal serves as another evidence of the increasing selling pressure and pessimistic outlook around cryptocurrencies. Remember to include a list of your Shiba holdings in the following comment box. Let's give the Shiba holder credit for having faith in the procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section.